guys, welcome back to another video. I am so excited for this because basically we went away and we went to this abandoned place. You'll find out what it is obviously as the video goes on, but we went to Wales in Anglesey. My Anglesey in Wales there. But yeah, we done that and we had a really good time, but this video might be a bit messy because it was really unexpected and I didn't expect to vlog or anything. It was just meant to be a chill few days away, but it is, and I tried to do as much as I could. There's not much I've recorded, but I hope you enjoy it. I will be popping in and out of the video to just maybe explain stuff to you, and I will post some photography stuff I've done sometime in the video because I'm getting really good at taking pictures. Blind girl being a photographer, that'd be good. Like if you would like to see photos I've posted, I've been doing it for like the past 2 years. I do have Instagram. I'll put my username below. Well, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and a comment to what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. I will see you soon. So Dylan, where are we?
We are at a place.
There's graffiti.
Yeah, this used to be a brick factory.
Yeah.
Now it's in ruins.
I'm guessing that's a brick.
Lots of graffiti. And there is.
So many people went so far out just to spray
Andrew,
paint on a
introduce
ruin.
yourself to the vlog.
I'm Andrew.
So basically, yes, we were at a abandoned brick factory. So it was a task to get to. It was a lot of walking, but we were just walking and seeing this cove and this like big chimney thing and was like, we're gonna get there. So we got there and it was a lot of mud, it was a lot of steep hills, and you could I'm surprised I didn't slip on the rocks, but it was very fun. It's very good. I wish I took the dog, but I didn't. It was just too much messing. But the boy in the end of that clip you've just seen is my brother Andrew. He's the oldest. Well, he's he's obviously younger than me, but he's my youngest brother. So he's obviously older than Dylan and he is autistic. That's probably why when I said introduce himself to the video, he just said his name. He's not a big speaker. He likes to be quiet and very into games. I will maybe do a video and you can get to know him more soon. And I'll just let him blabber on about some new games or something, I don't know. But if you have any ideas for any future videos, please comment below. Or any improvements I could do or anything. But remember, I am blind and it is very hard to edit and I'm going through quite a hard time at the minute. And I'll probably do a video on that too. Basically, that is it. I shall carry on. The audio and some of the videos, the wind might be in it, but yeah. I know people.
We was over the other side yesterday with some dolphins.
Dylan! Go on, Dylan, pose for the camera. Pose for the camera. Do different poses. No dab. So yeah, in that clip there was people in the background talking, that's what I meant, and the wind too. But I don't think I've got any clips that are that bad now. But I did sort of trip on that video, if you didn't notice a lot. Yeah, I tripped and the water was right next to me. blanket problems. Am I right?
That is a hoodie. That is very old, Dylan.
So?
Like a bird.
Do you want to go on one of these dome things?
Oh yeah, that's what we're gonna use. Sausage rolls.
I'm only left a claw.
What?
Okay, go on.
Sponsored
Go
by
in.
sausage rolls. Yes. A go. Ew. Hey, there's a fire pit.
No, we are not sponsored by sausage rolls. I don't know why he said that, but we are definitely not sponsored by anything because we're not proper YouTubers. But anyway, these big dome things, as you can see, and I think they are the furnaces where they used to make the bricks and that, maybe, but they was really old and there was like holes in the ceiling. But you could literally live in one of them if you put like windows and a door in it. It was weird. You could be like, what's it called? It's not the Tweenies. Oh my god, what's it called? Teletubbies. You could live like a Teletubby. Didn't mean to say it like that.
This is so cool.
I know you could
Yeah, but I think we might want to get out because this is really old and it might collapse.
It won't. Right, which hole should we go through? The easy one. Explain to the people what it is,
Hey,
Dylan.
it's an Nerf dart. See, this is a 1918 legendary Nerf dart. You only find these once in like, hey, there's another one. I mean, this is the last one of its kind.
Shut up and
Right.
explain about the...
Okay, first let me.
Who's the plot?
So basically that's all the footage we have, and well, I have I have no friends clearly. That's basically all the footage I have because I didn't really, I've already said before, but I wasn't really equipped for this trip. But I'm sorry about the audio in that last video, but it was only Dylan blabbering on about some Nerf dart being a great discovery at a brick factory. I've got one more clip and it's my mum struggling to get down the hill on the way. Enjoy.
Go away.
Funny.
So this video is quite short because I'm basically just showing you what happened while I was away, and I didn't make a video yesterday because there was a fire outside in one of my neighbour's gardens, so yeah, there was just a lot of noise and I just didn't have time to edit. But basically we had a really nice time, but we didn't take the dog. I wish we did because she would have loved it. I will show you some of the pictures I took now, but make sure to check them out on Instagram. I'll obviously put that below, and follow me on Twitter and help me follow my dream. I don't know what dream that is, but help me follow it anyway. You know, like, subscribe, comment, and whatever you want to see us do next, just tell me. Yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.